The internet is a researcher's dream come true. It is filled with information about every idea imaginable. Now, as I hope every other professor has already told you, you can't always trust everything you find on the internet. The internet is no substitute for reality. Go out and do some real reporting. Now, I'm not going to go through the steps on how to evaluate a website's reliability, as you've likely already learned that in a previous class. If not, read the section in the textbook carefully. One thing I do want to mention, however, is never use Wikipedia as a source. Now, I'm not saying to never go to Wikipedia, as it is a great way to get basic information about something, but always verify that information elsewhere. Now, some mistakes are obvious, like when I visited the Wikipedia page on James Brown, and it said he was the godfather of bologna sandwiches. Now, other mistakes are harder to find, and you don't want to find them after you've printed something that you found there. Here's a great example of how relying on Wikipedia can be an untrustworthy source. Now, I work with WKNC, the student radio station at NC State. In February 2017, we hosted a concert with North Carolina music producer DJ PayPal. Our student yearbook covered the event. When reading the article that was subsequently published, I was surprised to see that it said DJ PayPal currently lived in India. Now, I knew this was false, as many sources across the internet say he lives in Berlin. I also actually know DJ PayPal and his manager from when they both worked for me at WKNC. So where could the yearbook have gotten this faulty information? Oh, look, Wikipedia says DJ PayPal lives in India. Whoever edited the page to change his residence from Berlin to India probably didn't do so maliciously, but it ended up being published as fact. The internet makes it very easy to just copy and paste information right into your story. Don't. Presenting words that you didn't write as your own is plagiarism. Always, always, always quote and credit the source. If you didn't say it, say who did. Even when you aren't using a direct quotation, paraphrase and credit the source. If the idea came from someone else, even if you aren't using those exact words, credit your source. Now, your third option is to rework and reword the idea until it's more yours than someone else's. But when in doubt, always cite your source.